Hi, this is Carlos Duringer with Remax at the Lake, and today I'm super excited to show you one of the most amazing houses you'll ever see at Lake Murray. Welcome to 714 Cove Trail, Chapin, South Carolina. Over 7,000 square feet, full of upgrades and high-end finishes, this magnificent house has been labeled as an engineer's dream home. Originally built by renowned builder Dottie Lafitte and award-winner architect Jeff Stroud, it boasts 4 bedrooms, 4.5 bathrooms, an office space, a recreational area, and a bonus room. The minute you walk in, you're greeted by 22 feet tall ceilings, open floor plan, and panoramic windows, inviting you to enjoy the most beautiful big water views and the most amazing sunsets from almost every room. Inside the house, there are upgrades everywhere. Starting in the kitchen, you'll find high-end tile, corian and granite countertops, custom cabinets with a soft close system, a built-in refrigerator, gas stove, and a double oven. Around the house, the list keeps going on, with motorized blinds in living room windows, custom illumination throughout the entire house, ultimate sound system by Hios, 2 indoor granite top terrariums with drain, jacuzzi-style hot tub in master bathroom with drain system for easy maintenance, heated granite floor in master bathroom, fiber optic cable throughout, central vacuum system in every room, a 3rd floor balcony area, vaulted octagon screen porch, deep water dock with ample seating area, boat lift, shoreline riprap, and a low maintenance landscape designed by Southern Vistas. As if all these upgrades are not enough, I want to take you deeper to all the built-in details that make this house an engineering marvel. Allow me to bring you there using our own private elevator. Meet you downstairs. This elevator connects the 2nd level floor with the kitchen and the basement. It's supported by steel beams that are also located around critical structural areas of the house. The exterior is hard-coat stucco and the interior has a skim coat plaster. There is also double insulation on all internal walls for sound reduction. 10 remotely controlled temperature zones, large 20 kilowatts generator powered by natural gas, custom cedar closet, 2 tankless water heaters, solid oak staircase, and top-of-the-line home security system. And downstairs is where one of my favorite features of this house is located. Once you move this secret door here, boom, your own private state-of-the-art home theater. The amazing features of this house don't stop with the house itself. The location is also unbelievable. The private cul-de-sac with plenty of parking is just a short walk to the super awesome Timberlake Country Club and the championship level golf course, the tennis courts, the pool, a gym, the restaurant, and its endless social activities. So now you've learned that this house has so many details it will blow your mind. So many that maybe we should make a movie about it. So contact me and I'll give you a private tour. In the meantime, I'll start with the script.